How to make iPhone alarm vibrate only without sound in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open app library and then open utilities and click on clock, and here you can add option and then click on sound, and here you can add this sound. And if you want to vibrate alarm, then simply go in last and click on none. After click on none and then go in haptics and click your vibration alert by default. After that, go back and set your alarm and save. So this is the way to make iPhone alarm vibrate only without sound in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.